Welcome back. We've got a nice looking 5 out of 10 killer Sudoku for you today. So grab a drink and let's jump in. Okay, so let's start looking for all the usual clues. We've got a 1, 3 up here. We've got a 7, 9 down here. We've got a row here making that a column rather, making that a 7. What else can we see? 15 here. 30 looks promising. So if that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, these are going to have to be 6, 7, 8, 9. 7 and 9 out of here. 7 out of here. Let's take 7 out of these. And look, this has have to be 1, 5 or 5, 1, thanks to that 1, 3, because otherwise it would eliminate both of these remaining options with the 2, 4. Excuse me, I've got a cat visiting. So where were we? Right, we just put a 5, 1 in here, hadn't we? So 5, 6 is out of here. So these are 2, 3, 8, 9 in some way. That can come out. That's a 4, 6. Gives us a 1, 8 in here. So there's 8 and 9 in there. So we take that out. That's not going to be able to have any 1s in it. Oh, we can also clean that up. Like that. Take 7s out. Okay, and here we're missing a 5 in either, and then the other, whatever is 2 or 3, although it can't be 3 there. So 2, 3, 5 can come out of there. That's got to have either a 2 or 5 in it with a 6, 7, 8 or 9. So 2 or 5. So that can't be 9, which means that can't be 6. 2, 3, 5 in here. 2s, 3s and 5. So those have got to add up to 8. Well, that's nice, because look, it can't be 4, because you can't have 4 and 4 in one row. So that's a 7. So let's take 7s out of there. What have those two got to add up to again? 45. So that's, oh, it can't be 8 and 8, can it? That's got to have to be 9 and 6. Take 6s out of there. Take 6 and 9 out of there. That's a 7, 8. So we can resolve that and that. 1 out of there. What are we missing in this row? 4, 8. Which gives us a 2, 3 in there, because it can't be 1 because of that. 2, 3 out. And this has to be whatever's rest. So whatever's left. So let's take the 8s out. And it's got to have a 7 in, but can't have a 4. Okay, so that's a 1, 5, 6, 7, 9, but no 7s, of course. 1, 5, 6, 9. So 1 and 9 can't be there. Okay, so we've got these there. We want to take the 1s out of that, haven't we? So that's looking correct, I think, so far. Okay, so 9 definitely in that. So that's a 2, 4 or 1, 5. No 1 in that one. That's got to be a 4 or 8. Oops. And it can't be, okay, no, it could be. This one, let's have, oh, here we go, 6. It's got to have a 6 in. Okay, so that's 2, 5. This still complicated, but can't have 7s or 9s in, which is nice, look, because of that. Okay, so it's either, no 4 left, look. So no 4 there, so that's an 8. So this is either 2, 6 or 3, 5. That's correct, can't have a 6 in there. 8 puts a 4 in there. Still gives us several options. Okay, let's look above, take some 4s out. Got to be a 1 in there somewhere. Absolutely can't be a 7, look, thanks to these two 7s. And the 2, 3 could invalidate that. Right here, no 9s. That one, not many 1s in, doesn't help as much. How about here? Oh, 1, 3, 5. We've been neglecting the old style. 2, 7 in there, that's nice. 2 out of there, so that's the 3, 5, 8. Take a 6 out of that. How did I miss that all this time? So no 7 in there. One can't have a 1 in. What about this? What does this tell us? 6, 9, 11, 18. That's interesting. So these are both, oops, these have both got to add up to 11. So 2 and 9, 3 and 8 work. 2 and 9, 5 and 6. 3 and 9, you can't make 11 with that, so we can take that one out. Can't have 3 and 5 in here because it would invalidate that one. So it's either 2, 6 or 1, 7. Not helping us yet. Okay, so what are we missing? Let's have a look at what we're missing in some. What about this row? Need a 1, got a 2, need a 3, 4, 5, 6, 8. 1, 4, 6, 8. Not any 1s in there. Could be 1 there or there. Could be any of them. 6s and 8s. Interestingly, no 4s are possible, so that's not a 4, that's a 6 or an 8. So this has got to have 4, 6 or 8. Let's look at basically all of them have got 4, 6 or 8, but it's got to have a 4, 6 or 8 with either 1 or another 4, 6 or 8. So that's fine. 6 with a 1, 8 with a 1, 6 with an 8. Can't be that. Can't be that. 6 with 3 or 7 can't be that. 4 with a 5. Okay, so we're down a bit, and it can't have a 7 in it. It's definitely not got 4 in it either, which puts 4 here. No 7s thanks to those 2. So in here, so that's 6, 8. What are we missing? 1, 2, 3. We need a 4, 9, don't we? Just going to make that a 6 or 7 as well, because it's the only unresolved numbers in the row. This one we've already said can't have a 4, so that's got to be a 9. Just a 4 there. It's got to have 4 in it. Oops. That's a 4, 6, 7 and not a 5, 8. Okay. And of course 6 there, so 6 out of that, 7 out of that, 7 out of there, 7 out of those, so that's an 8, 9 pair, so that's going to have to be the 6. 6s, 8s or 9s, making this a 7, 3. Get the 3 out of that, 6 out of that. This is now either a, that still works, makes that a 2 or a 9. So this one's got to have a 9, 7 in it, so we can take that out. No 7s in there. Definitely no 7s in here. That's going to be 1, 2, 4, 5 as well. It's going to be whatever's not there, isn't it? So it's either got to have, that's got to be 1, 5, 2, 4. So it's either got to have 1, 5 or 2, 4. 1, 5 there. None of those. So that's going to be, not going to have 2 in it. That's going to be 1, 4, 5, 8. And of course no 1s in there. So if that's got the, the only thing it tells us is the 2 has to be in there, so that can't be, oops, so that can't be 1 or 5, so that's, the 2's got to exist in here, which means the 4 can't live there. Making that a 1, 5, and making that a 4, 8. 2 out of there, 2 out of there, 3 out of those, that's a 2, 8, 9. That resolves those 2. We can also resolve the 8 there, so that's got to be 1, 6, 9. And then 6 out of there makes that 9, 7, 8. So then we've got 2, 3 pair in there, so 2 and 3 like so. Very nice. So we can take 2's out of here and 4's out of here. So this is 3, 5, 6, 9. Okay, 4's are going to help here. 2, 4 and 5 in there. Make 3 out of that. 3 out of there, and 5 and 9, making that a 6. 6 out of there, 3, 5, 9. So there's a 4 and a 5 out of there, 2 out of that, that's a 4, 5 pair. So no 3's in here, thanks to that. So this is a, clear that, 1, 2, 4, 8. Making this a 5, 6. We can resolve it that way. What have we got? We've got no 1's in here, no 2's in there, making that a 2. That's a 4, 8 pair. No 8's there, so that's a 1, 4. Resolves that and resolves that over there. Can also resolve that thanks to that 1. 2 out of there, making that an 8, 9. Making that a 2, 9. It's got to have a 2 in, and of course we could have got that from the 3 anyway. 8 and 9, and what about here? No 5's, no 7's. This is a 4, 9 in that order. 4, 9. In that order, 9 and 2 out of there, so we put 8 into here. What do we need to make? 14, 19, need a 3, don't we? 3, 5, 6, 8. 2 and 5 in here. Clean those as well. 2, 4, 5, 6. Take a 6 out of those. Take 5 out of those. 6 is nice. Let's take that. Ooh. 4 and 5. 3 and 2. So what are we missing here? We need to take a 1 and a 6 out of that there. So take the 9 out of there and the 1. So this has got to be a 4 with a 2, 6, 2, 6, 7, 8, 3, 5, 9 out of there, 3 and 5. What have I done? Totally screwed up. Wasn't 1 and 7. So bad. 1, 7. Okay. 7, 8. 3 and 9 out of there. 5 out of that. 3 out of there. 9 out of that. There we go. That was an interesting 5 out of 10. Apologies for the cat interruption and for the little screw up at the end. I thought it was quite enjoyable. No hugely difficult challenges to overcome, but lots of kind of little niggling ones, lots of little things to not miss I found in that. I hope you enjoyed this video. Leave me feedback, leave me a comment or a thumbs up if you like. If you want to see more of these videos, please consider subscribing. We'll be posting more of them every day. And otherwise, thanks for watching and have a great rest of your day.